Hi guys, welcome to Cwin's Playtime Channel, and today we're going to show you it's a Barbie washing machine set. You can see there's a dryer and a washing machine. There's a table, flat iron, and ironing board. There's the detergent. There's a basket here, maybe for dirty or clean clothes. This is the one that we got and it's covered. Okay guys, so let's open the box. Okay. Oops. So let's get the things inside the box. Okay, so what's inside the box? You have the brochure. So this is a basket for clothes or a hamper. And here's the detergent over here. There's a towel. There's a towel here, and there's the flat iron and the ironing board. We have here I think this is for spraying the clothes when you iron it, and there's another towel here, or towelette or hand towel, and then there's the table, and then the washing machine is, which one is, this is the washing machine. You can see the bubbles inside right there. So there are some clothes with bubbles. Ooh, and it turns. Okay, so that's the washing machine, and this is the dryer. Let's see. Let's open up the dryer. Okay, so there you go. It also moves. Okay, this one moves as well as the washing machine. So this is the dryer, and this is the washing machine. Okay, now there's a clock on top of the washing machine. I think it's for the timer, and when you press it, look at the pictures inside. They turn. Okay, that's it. I think you can put this one up when you don't need it. Okay, so that's it. So there you go guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.